how to remix a song in Suno AI. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remix a song in Suno AI. So this is basically a new feature that Suno AI added. So when you log into your account and if you are using this feature for the first time or you are simply, logging into your account after the latest update, you'll be able to see a pop-up in front of you that would say that whether you want to give Suno AI to whether you want to give them consent to remix your songs. So you gotta agree that. And then you gotta head over to library over here. And for example, this is the song we have. So when you click on these three dots, you'll be able to see remix and edit option appear. So what you gotta do is simply click on it. And over here, you can either open an editor, cover, extend, use styles and lyrics, crop, replace section. So I'm gonna click on cover. So what basically cover does is that there is an existing song and you can add your own stuff to that song. So that is basically, there's not really a direct remix kind of option by which you can remix two songs, but this is a way that you have to head over to cover, and basically remix means that you're altering a song. So what you gotta do is simply add down more lyrics, and you can add down more styles and exclude styles and some persona, more options such as song title, workspace, my workspace, and you can simply, also upload any audio in order to integrate that into the song. So once you have done that and you have added more lyrics, etc., you can also click on auto. It's like not supported for covers, but if you really wish to have some songs or the lyrics, you can simply type that down over here. And then you gotta head over, click on remix, and it will take a while to load. So simply wait for it. And like always, Suno AI will, upload two remixes. So you can simply play both of them and see which one works best for you. Now you can also head over to home, and once you do so, you'll be able to see various options of remixes. Like you can remix the existing songs that people have posted on Suno AI. So that is basically how you can remix songs on Suno AI. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.